There's a lot of good deals that we're gonna pick up today, and as you can see, wow, there's a lot of the good stuff, and we got more and more. So, wow, this is good find that we have today. What's up, everyone? Jane Olasco here. Welcome to the Nike Factory Store again. Not too many customer or reseller right now, and as you can see, I already spot a good ones. We got the fives dark colorway, and if it could be in my size, I'll pick this up. But this one is really big, but the colorway and the suede quality very nice. And if you've seen one of the last video, this is the one that we pick up in retail, but no additional discount. So I only just want to share you what we got the last video. All right, 69.97. My plug just hand this over to me and Vapor Flyknit. Alright, as you can see, not much going on right now. Not too much people. We got the Jordan Max 254.97 with the additional 30%. And this carry is 69.97 with additional 30. I like the colorway. It's very simple, nice and good quality basketball shoes. We got the KD Tray 5. Alright, Nike Zoom Assertion, or maybe generic basketball shoes. Jordan Metamorphy, 49.97 with the 30. Cheap one though. Nike Joyride CC, and they're sitting right here for very cheap, 59.97 with the 30. A different colorway for 69.97 with the 30%. No one's buying them. Why? And this colorway is a triple black for the setter, also sitting 59.97 with the 30. So how about the Nike Air Max Fusion? Nice colorway. And how about the Air Max 270 React? What do you think of this colorway? Nice one though. Air Max 200 again, 59.97 with the 30%. A different colorway though. White and black and gray. Air Max 200 again, and mostly black. Some generic running shoes, 49.97, Nike Free, not bad for that price. And how about some Metcon, 49.97, ugly colorway. Alright, Nike Odyssey React Flyknit 2, not bad for 49.97. Another one, Nike Free Run Flyknit 2018, 79.97, not bad for the running shoes. Nike Shock Gravity, now we're talking 24.97. Last video they don't have this one, and we have it today, 24.97 with a 30%. The other video, this one had this one, 24.97, so that's why we picked up on those green, but the black and red ish colorway don't have it on stock when we bought this one, so not bad. Jordan FTC LB91. I like the color in this one. A little bit simple of color with a little bit inch of pink and blue. Jordan Max Aura, 59.97 with the 30%. Ooh, wow. Okay, Nike React Presto, 59.97. I'm gonna leave this behind. Still high and no much buyers. We got the Aubrey React Flyknit ISPA, and this is ugly looking trash shoes. Ooh. Nike React Element 87, and already got me this one on the collection, 69.97. Air Max 90 QS, I wanted this also, but 79.97 with the 30%. Maybe I'm gonna pick up a few smaller sizes maybe. Nike React Element 55. And this one is 74.97 with 30%. Gonna leave it behind. Nike Go Shift. And this one, not bad for the price as well. 59.97 with the 30. So, update, these are what we getting, and as you can see we got more and more, and this is our Nike haul from the Nike factory store, and hope you like this video, and we have a good a lot. So let's go break it down on this one on the next video.